It's been about a half hour since I got Roy and Ellywood. I log into this game and I see this. Oh, that's so cool! Poe, I need this Poe card. So I'm gonna pull for it. Oh! Oh, right off the bat. Is this him? Please be him. Oh. Disappointment. It's okay though. That's not everything. Matter, I got plenty of ability stones. 2 in a row. What is this? It's gonna be a fake out. Ooh. Still no. Cool. Okay, this one's guaranteed. Okay, I'm gonna skip. Why bother? Oh! Okay, we're good. Alright. Let's see if this is finally Poe. And it isn't. Anyways, I'm back now. For the moment of truth. I'm hoping this means I can get him specifically. Oh wait, why am I doing this? There's a skip button for a reason. Oh! I'm not giving up. I am getting this boil. It's the last thing I do. Oh, ignore the dogs in the background if you can hear them. I don't know what they're doing. No. Stop. Oh! Oh no. Oh. What? I feel like I'm getting every SSR but him. Please just give me him. Also, I find it kind of interesting that in Twist there's a fairy gala thing, and then here they got a garden theme thing. I just think it's a funny coincidence. Oh! Yes! So cute. Took a little more than I expected, but still. Finally! Oh. And Carl. This is just such a beautiful image. Another one? Who is this? Ongo. Goodbye, Ongo. Two! There was 2! Oh. That's worth it. I had to waste quite a bit of ability stones for this. Doesn't really matter though. We got him not once, but twice. A lot of unexpected SSRs in the way too. I actually went back and counted, and I got a total of 9 SSRs. That's crazy. Doesn't matter. Now I can focus on leveling him up. What color was he anyways? Did I even look? See what he was? He is blue. That's good. That's okay.